When you first open Capture One, you need to decide if you want to create a new catalog or a new session. Catalogs and sessions are two different file management systems in Capture One, both with distinct advantages depending on how you'll be using the software. In this video, we'll cover the basic characteristics of each of these systems, and we'll give you general recommendations based on your preferred genre of photography. Let's start with catalogs. Catalogs in Capture One are similar to those in other softwares, such as Adobe Lightroom. They are designed to serve as your general photo archive. This means you'll create one main catalog to contain all your images. This tends to work best for workflows based on importing files from an SD card instead of tethered shooting. Generally, catalogs hold large projects without a clear end date. They are a good choice for travel or street photography, weddings and other social events, or photojournalism. The main particularity of catalogs is that the raw files and the Capture One metadata, including adjustments, masks, camera and lens profiles, etc., are stored separately. This is because, by default, the raw files are not stored inside the catalog, but in your system folders. Capture One simply creates a preview linked to the original file. Another particularity of the catalog is that, because inside of it there are only previews, all the file organization will be virtual. This means that the raw files will stay in the original OS folder while we organize our catalog using collections such as albums, groups, or projects. If you're interested to learn about the functionality of catalogs in depth, we recommend you to watch this other video. Let's now talk about sessions. As opposed to catalogs, sessions are a project-based workflow. This means you'll be creating one session for each one of your projects. Let's create a new session and then see what happens next. A new folder has been created with our session name. Inside of it, there are always at least 4 main folders: Capture, Output, Select, and Trash. This leads us to the main difference compared to catalogs. Organization in sessions is folder-based. This means that your raw files will be stored inside the session folders. If you move a file across different folders, its location in the OS system folders will also change. In a session, the raw files and the Capture One metadata are stored together inside the main session folder. This means that this folder is a self-contained structure, making it easy to backup or transfer to other devices, including those running Capture One Mobile. Sessions are the recommended workflow whenever you are shooting tethered. This is why they are the workflow of choice of most commercial photographers for advertising, product, food, fashion, and portrait shoots, among other genres. However, it is also possible to have an importing workflow while using sessions. If you want to learn more about sessions, check out this other video.